Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see different kind of joins in a SparkSQL. So let's discuss different kind of joins. So I have listed couple of them, and I will going to discuss these joins, and I will going to show you practically how this join will going to do a joining based on two tables. So let me discuss this left join. So the left join keyword returns all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table, and the result is 0 from the right table if there is no match. So what does it mean? It means that whenever you are going to join two tables, and if it is a left join, so all the records which will present in the left table, all the record will be come from the left table, and only the matching record with it will come from the right table. And if there is a no matching records, then from the right table 0 records will be there, but it will going to take all the records from the left table. Let's discuss about the inner join. The inner join keyword select records that has matching value in the both side. So if we are joining two tables based on a particular column, if the matching records are there, then only those records will be fetched if the join is inner. If no records will be matching, then 0 records will be returned. Let's discuss about right join. What the right join will going to do? The right join keyword returns all the records from the right table and the matching records from the left table. The result is 0 records from the left side if there is a no match. So what does it mean? It means whenever we are joining two tables with the help of a right join, it will take all the records from the right table and it will going to take only the matching records which is present in the left table. If there is a no match in the left table, then 0 records will come out from left side. Let's discuss about full join. The full join or a full outer join returns all the records when there is a match in the left table or the right table. Let's discuss about left semi join. A left semi join or just a semi join gives only those rows in the left row set that have a matching in the right row set. The right semi join gives only those rows which is present in the right row set and have the matching row in the left row set. So what does it mean? Whenever we are going to do a left semi join, and suppose there in the left table there are 5 columns and in the right tables there are also 5 columns. So what it will going to do? It will see the match. If the records are matched in both the table, only the columns which is present in the left table, that columns only be visible in the output of the left semi. It is matching or not if it is matching also, the columns which is present in the right table, if you are doing in the left semi join, right table column will not be visible. And what is the left empty? Left empty will give the which brings in only rows from the left table that don't have matching rows from the right table. So what does it mean? It means that whenever we are doing joining between two tables and the type of join is left empty, then what it will going to happen? It will give the records from the left table only. Those records are not present in the right table. So these are the overview of the different kind of joins in SparkSQL. Let me do this exercise. In this exercise, what I am just doing, I am creating a table with the help of a create table command. This is the name of the table. Here I am giving 5 columns and its data types. I am making this column this table as a delta. Then I am inserting 5 records in this delta table. Here also what I'm just doing, I'm just creating a table with the help of a create table command. This is the name of the table. These are the data types of these tables, and this table is also of delta type, and here I am inserting 5 records in it. So let me create these two tables and insert this data in these two tables, and then we'll do a different kind of joins. So let me go to the Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name it as join. Connect this notebook with our running cluster. Let me create a table. So we have already created the table in the previous exercise. So let me copy it. It will going to save some time. Otherwise, it will going to this recording will be long. So I'm just copying the code. Okay. So let me just rename it. AP employee source for join, and this let me make it as a using delta. Let me run it. This table has been created successfully. We need to insert some records in it, so we need to create the insert statement. I have already created it. Let me copy from here. All the records are successfully inserted. So let me do a select. Okay. So these are the same records which we have inserted here. So let me create another table. Let me copy the code, and I will going to change the name of the table. Here it is target. Let me run it. This table has also created. Let me insert some records. So I have already created the insert statement. Let me copy it and let me paste it. Paste here. Run it. Okay, so all the records are inserted. Let me do a select star from. So these are the same records which we have inserted here. So we have created two tables and we have inserted some records in it. Let's go to the PPT. Here what I am going to do, I am doing a join, first inner join between these two tables. So what it will going to do, and how we are going to join, I am going to join based on the API ID. So if the API ID matches between the source and the target, between two tables, then the records will be getting populated. Here I am doing the left join. So all the columns, all the records which is present in the left column, it will be selected. It will be coming automatically, and whatever the matching records which is present in the right table, those records will be come. And how we are going to do the join? We are going to do the join with the help of a API ID. Now here what I'm just doing, I'm just doing the right join. In the right join, all the records which are from the right table. So this is the right table. All the records which is from this right table, it will come all the records, and whatever the matching records from this table, it will come from this table on the basis of APID. And here this left join, no, so this is the left table and this is the right table. Now what is the left empty? So I'm doing the left empty, so it will going to see the records which is present in this which is not present in this table. Then those records will be populated, those records will going to populate here. So we will see. Let's go to Databricks and let's do all these joins. Okay, so let's do an inner join first. So let's start from let me say this is the source table. Inner join. What is the right table? This is the right table. We are joining on which column? On this column dot APID equal to this column APID. Let me format it. It will be more visible. We can see what we are doing. We are selecting all the columns and we are doing an inner join between these two tables on APID. If the APID will matches, it will going to return those records. So let me run it. So these are the two columns, APID 101 and 102, which is present in both the tables. That's why it is giving only these two records. Let me copy it. Let me paste here and let me instead of an inner join, let me do a left join. Okay, so let me run it. So what the left join generally does, left join will going to take all the records from the left table. So all the records from the left table, it is there. So 103, 105, 102, 101, 104. So these are the records which is present in left table, and the matching records which is present in the right table, that will come. So you can see APID 103, 105, 102, 101. So these records are present in both the table, right? No, only 102 and 101. These records are present in both the tables. That's why these tables are populating all the columns from the left and the right, and these columns, the records which is started, which has APID 103, 101, 104 and 105, we can see this right side columns all has the null value, means these records are not present in right hand side table. So this is all about left join. Let me do a right join. Instead of left, let me put right. Let me run it. What it is doing, it is taking all the records from the right table and the matching record, it is taking the matching records which is present in the left table. So this is all about the right join. Let me do the we can also validate here that this is the two rows, 101 and 102, which is present in the both sides. That's why each and every column of this table is being populated. But you can see, other than this, All the columns which is coming from the left hand side, those are null, but all the columns which is coming from the right hand side, it has all those values. So let me do the left empty. Left empty join. Let me run it. So we can see these are the three records which are not present in this table. That's why it is we are getting those records in the left empty joins. So in this video we have seen we have seen different kind of joins. So let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.